Hi, everyone, and welcome back to the Studio Suite blog. I'm Alicia, and today I'm joined again by Julio over at Studio Suite. Julio, how are you?
Doing great. Thanks, Alicia. How are you?
I'm doing well, thank you. So if you're brand new to the blog and this is just your first time, make sure you're checking out the rest of the blogs that we've filmed and posted on the blog and future blogs. You're going to want to stay tuned to learn more about the different modules in Studio Suite. But in this specific video, we are talking about how Studio Suite makes resource management easy using the calendar module. So Julio, you're going to tell us a little bit about that and show us a demo. I'll go ahead and turn it over to you.
Thank you, Alicia. So this is what you would see when you open up Studio Suite. This is a home interface. Right here, we can see all the projects that are happening today, events associated with these projects, any tasks and follow-ups, which are kind of some reminders for you. Today, I wanted to show you the calendar module. So it's right here. So we click on it, then it's going to open up in a separate window if you have it configured like that. So here is where you can create groups and different categories so that you can, again, control which resources are displayed over here on this left column. So a great idea could be to have your engineers, editors, maybe your production crew, anything that really makes sense for you. These could be services, people, rooms, anything for that matter. So if maybe I just want to look at my production crew, I can just change that and you'll see that this list just got shorter over here. So from right here from the calendar, I can add a resource. So if I click here, I'm going to look for today's date. So maybe today I need to add this person, George, to one of my projects or sessions. So from here, I can just add that resource really easy. So I'm going to click on add to existing project. And here I can choose a project. So let's pretend that I need to add him for this BMW promo video. So I can select that and I can choose if I want to go back to the project view or to the calendar. So let's go to the project just to show you how this has been added to a particular project. So here is George right here in the bottom. That's the resource that we added. And if we go back to the calendar, we can also see that over here. So anything that you add over here in the projects module would reflect back over here in the calendar. So that's one cool thing that you can use this calendar module for. Another thing that you can use it for is to assign tasks, create schedules, or create callbacks. So if I wanted to assign a task really easy to maybe the admin or the studio manager, I can just add a task in here really quick on the fly. Or my note here, and if I have automatic notifications for this resource, as soon as I create a task schedule or I book this person on a project, that person would receive an email notification automatically, so you don't have to spend time doing that. So from here, I can edit the note, assign team members, etc., and simple as that. And we also have a traditional view available. So this is similar to what you get in your typical calendar. So there's a few options for you, but I know that a lot of our clients, and myself included, I love the timeline view, especially since a lot of us are accustomed to working with timelines and editing software. So I hope this was helpful, and Alicia, I'll pass it back to you.
All right, Julio. Well, thanks so much for showing us that demo. One of my favorite things I think about Studio Suite is just how quickly you can navigate the software. With just a couple simple clicks, you can manage your studio, all of your resources. So if that's you, maybe you're a studio manager and you think this is the perfect software for you, you're going to want to get in contact with Julio and his team. You can either give them a call, send an email to sales@studiosuite.com, and just make sure you're exploring the rest of the website and the blog at studiosuite.com. Thanks again, Julio.
Thank you, Alicia.